He is one of the richest men in America, and now Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban is in trouble with the feds. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Doug Dunbar.
And I'm Karen Borda. Cuban is accused of insider trading. CBS 11's Jack Fink is live at the American Airlines Center with the latest. Jack?
Well, Karen, some legal experts say this civil complaint of insider trading against the Dallas Mavericks owner could soon turn into a criminal case. But Mark Cuban is fighting back.
One in front of him.
After a 2-year investigation, the Securities and Exchange Commission accuses Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban of insider trading. He's accused of selling all of his stock in the Mama.com search engine website to avoid more than $750,000 in losses. John Teakell is a former attorney for the SEC and says the civil complaint is serious.
Used the inside information that no one else had access to and made a profit off of it.
According to the SEC's complaint, Cuban's alleged wrongdoing started June 28, 2004, while speaking with Mama.com CEO from the American Airlines Center. The SEC says Mama.com CEO told Cuban of a stock offering happening the next day on the basis Cuban would keep it confidential. But the SEC says Cuban became very upset and angry because his shares could have been diluted. The agency quotes Cuban as telling the CEO, "Well, now I'm screwed. I can't sell." The SEC says after calling for more information, Cuban then called his Dallas broker and told him, "Sell what you can tonight and just get me out the next day." Teakell says the civil case could grow more serious.
Because of the fact that it could be considered a significant case dollar-wise, and because of the fact that it involves Mr. Cuban, it may generate some interest at the U.S. Attorney's Office for a criminal investigation.
In a statement on his blog today, Cuban says, "I am disappointed that the commission chose to bring this case based upon its enforcement staff's win-at-any-cost ambitions. The staff's process was result-oriented, facts be damned," he said. "The government's claims are false, and they will be proven to be so." Now, the SEC is seeking fines against Cuban and wants him to surrender the $750,000 in question. Coming up at 6, hear what a former United States attorney has to say about the Cuban case. Live in Dallas, Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.